Hi there, I'm Rosie Chung and welcome to my channel. So far in my curly hair journey, I've been playing around with a lot of different products including gels, creams, mousses, oils, hairsprays, and cleansing shampoos and conditioners. I thought I'd switch it up by trying out something entirely new, which is the Curly Company Diffuser. I've been following this company for some time on Instagram, and I love all of the user-generated content they share of people successfully diffusing their hair with this particular product, so I figured I'd give it a shot too. To be perfectly fair, I've only used one other diffuser, which is the default one that comes with the blow dryer that I invested in. So I use a Revlon 1875 watt ionic ceramic blow dryer, and this is the standard detachable diffuser that comes with it. And you know what, to be honest with you, I've had a lot of success so far with utilizing this particular diffuser and this blow dryer in general, so I really have no complaints about it. So I'm going to do a little bit of demonstration of how it works on my hair so far. So I mean, this is pretty much how it looks, even though my hair is already dried right now. It doesn't really make sense to kind of show you, but I mean, this is pretty much how enough of the hair that I can get into the diffuser itself when I'm drying. So usually I'm just having to grab the hair and fit it all into the diffuser attachment so that it perfectly captures all of my hair strands. So that is my standard diffuser attachment from Revlon right here. Now moving on to Curly Company's diffuser, what's important to note about this is that it's collapsible. So this is the product itself right now, totally collapsible, and look, cool, right? So this makes it really convenient to take with you when you're traveling, and it gives you more room in your beauty cabinet, what have you. I love the idea that it's so easy to carry, and it's flexible too. So the fact that it's flexible is really important. So I think they were genius in making sure that it was flexible, not only because you can conveniently store this with the whole collapsible part, but we're gonna take a look at it from here. So I'm gonna remove my standard attachment. And it's supposed to be able to fit most blow dryers. So if you want a reference, the Revlon 1875 watt ionic ceramic blow dryer is compatible with the Curly Company diffuser. And so I'm going to demonstrate how to put it on. So you'll see here, this is the hole itself. I have a blog post that's correlating with this video, so in my blog post I'll also feature all of the details of this particular product, where to purchase it, the sizing and everything like that, because I can't remember off the top of my head how wide this is right here. But basically what you're going to want to do, so you'll see right here, you can see that I can stretch it out. That's really important because that's what makes it compatible with other blow dryers. So I'm going to add it here. So if you're having difficulty with adding it on, you're just going to have to grip it tightly. So grip it tightly and then squeeze it down like so. And now, okay, fail. Let's try that one more time. All right, so grip it tightly and just pull it down. Another thing that you can do, I'm gonna try and bring this up for you higher. I'm having it on my knee. It's kind of hard when I don't have anything else to put it on while I'm doing this. And I promise it's not as hard as it looks as I'm doing it in this video. But what you're gonna wanna do is just making sure that you're pulling it down so that the edges of the inside grip your diffuser. And look, it's not dropping anymore, thankfully, not like before. So I'm going to show that to you again because it's really important that you see it. Uh, so if you look at the inside of it, there are certain ridges that will grip the inside of your blow dryer itself. So I'm going to put it back on. So as you can see with the total width of the diffuser itself, and I wish I could better demonstrate how far in it goes for a little bit more depth, but that's really important to note because it'll help capture more hair during the diffusing process, which theoretically would mean that your hair would dry quickly or quicker. So I'm going to show the difference between so right now, my standard one has all of the claws, but it jumps out a little bit, so it's harder to have the hair go inside of the diffuser to capture all of the air that's processing through the blow dryer. So I feel like this makes a big difference for diffusing my hair. I actually my diffusing time is cut drastically with using the Curly Company's diffuser. So I'm going to demonstrate how it looks when I am using the diffuser in my hair, even though my hair is already dry. So let's just see. So this is pretty realistic to what it would be like to diffuse my hair while it's wet, although my hair, curly hair technically is a little bit longer while it's wet, so it captures my hair a lot more. I do have some hair that's falling out, but again, my hair is a little bit shorter at this moment. But yeah, so it definitely captures my hair pretty well. And the great part is, if you weren't noticing before, when you're capturing your hair in the diffuser, you most of the time, especially with the standard one, I'm gonna maybe show the difference. So you're probably doing your blow dryer like this, but with the Curly Company diffuser, because it's flexible, you can just go like this. And what's cool about that is, I'm going to show you right here. You see how it bended a little bit? That makes it really easy to really just get into other parts of your hair and really reach the parts that are very hard to reach. So it's definitely helped me dry certain parts of my hair that I can never dry fully because it's so hard to reach with my standard diffuser. So that's another plus to this particular one. Lastly, the price point for this diffuser makes it very accessible. It ranges between $15 to $30 at the time that I'm recording this video, and I was able to order it right off of Amazon with free shipping, so that was awesome. I hope you enjoyed my review on the Curly Company's diffuser, and this is certainly not the last of my experimentation with this type of product for curly hair, so stay tuned for more of my curly hair journey. Thanks for watching.